Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan is in Kolkata to campaign for Mamata Banerjee. Speaking at a press conference in Kolkata today, she said, "My party leader Akhilesh Yadav has asked me to come here to give my support to TMC. I have the utmost love and respect for Mamata ji, a single woman fighting against all atrocities." A total of 832 companies of Central Security Forces have been deployed in the constituencies to ensure a peaceful election. Out of these, 204 companies of quick response teams will be present in the third phase. The voting in this phase of elections will be held in 31 assembly constituencies in 3 districts, 8 in Hooghly, 7 in Howrah, and 16 in South 24 Parganas. Assam's Bodoland People's Front's petition to postpone polling in Tamalpur days after its candidate R.K. Basumatari defected to the BJP was today turned down by the Supreme Court. Tamalpur will vote tomorrow as the state holds the third and final phase of assembly elections. The BPF is part of the Congress-led alliance Mahajot. Lack of proper road facilities made the officials carry the EVMs on their shoulders to reach the polling booths located in villages near Potaimalai in the Rasipuram constituency. The ruling AIADMK on Monday approached the Election Commission demanding to revoke elections in Kolathur, Chepauk, Katpadi, Tiruvannamalai and Trichy West constituencies, alleging malpractices like money distribution in these seats, ANI reported. The Kerala Assembly election will be held in a single phase on Tuesday, 6 April. A total of 140 seats will go to polls across the state, and a three-cornered fight between the incumbent left-led LDF, the Congress-led UDF and the BJP is likely. According to an integrated list published on 20th March, there are a total of 2,74,46,039 voters eligible to exercise their franchise in the upcoming assembly polls.